Okay guys, so if you're not using this plugin, you're not taking your website security seriously, and this can be a really big mistake. So this plugin, what it does, this plugin is called WPS Hide Login plugin. It's a very simple, straightforward plugin. So what it does, so on any WordPress website, anybody could add / and WP admin in the end like this, so anybody can log into your website. But what this plugin does, this plugin WPS Hide plugin, this plugin changes this default behavior. So not everybody can access your website login page, and that really takes your website security to the next level. So if you're not using this plugin, you're not taking your website security seriously. Okay, what you need to do is log into WordPress dashboard, hover on plugins, click on add new plugin, and now search here WPS Hide Login. And then you see the first plugin, WPS Hide Login, and you can see 1+ million active installation and almost 5-star rating. You just click on install now. It's a very simple plugin, and in just few minutes you can take your website security to the next level. You can see it's installed. Once installed, click on activate. Now this plugin is activated. You can find this plugin in left sidebar, hover on settings, and then click on WPS Hide Login. And you can see this is the default URL, which is login. And now from here you can set any login. For example, I can say secret login 12. If I click on save changes now, and now if somebody try to access my website URL /wp-admin, you can see they reach to the 404 page, so they cannot log into my website. And if you want to log into your website, what you need to do is, and if you want to log in, you need to enter your secret website login URL. In my case, I will enter this login URL. You can see now I can easily enter on website. So please take this seriously, and I highly recommend you to install this plugin. It takes just 2 minutes and really improve your website security. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get #1 Google search engine rankings, check this video on screen.